hey. Why are you down? Well, you gotta learn how to get down back up now. Yeah, well, get back up. No, I just showed you how. Put your two skis like this. Like that, alright? Okay, that's it. Push. And use your knees. That's it. Come up. No, try it by yourself. Let's go. Skis like this. Alright. Push. No. Push with your hands. Push with your hands. That's it. Now use your knees to get up. Come on. You're almost there. Look, your knees. There you go. Don't forget the triangle, buddy. Triangle. There you go. Hey, turn towards me. Get the ski off. Up again.